Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about beta developer option is not showing in your iPhone. How to fix this problem. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection is working properly. After this, go back and here tap on General, tap on Software Update and make sure you have download iOS 26 update. After this, go back, scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. Here tap on VPN and check if any VPN is connected. Turn off VPN. After this, go back and open App Store and search here Apple developer. Tap on this app and after this download this app. When you download this app, go back and open this app. After this, tap on the account and sign in your Apple ID. After this, restart your mobile phone and try check your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.